How does passport control work for migrant workers in Poland? Passport control for migrant workers in Poland involves several steps and processes, governed by both national and European Union (EU) regulations. Here's an overview of how it generally works. Entry requirements. Visa and residence permits. Non-EU citizens often require a visa to enter Poland. For work purposes, they may need a specific type of visa, such as a national long-stay visa, D-visa, or a Schengen visa if their stay is shorter than 90 days within a 180-day period. They might also need a work permit unless they are exempt. Arrival in Poland. Upon arrival at a Polish border, the following steps typically occur. Passport control checkpoint. Document verification. Passport control officers check the traveler's passport and visa. For non-EU nationals, they also verify the validity of their visa or residence permit. Purpose of visit. The traveler may be asked about the purpose of their visit. For migrant workers, this involves stating that they are entering for employment purposes, possibly with an employment letter or work contract as proof. Additional documentation. Depending on the traveler's nationality and the nature of their work, additional documents might be required, such as a work permit or a confirmation of the exemption, an invitation letter from a Polish employer or company, proof of sufficient funds or accommodation, especially for those coming on a visa. Entry stamp. If all documents are in order, the passport control officer will stamp the passport, indicating the date of entry into the Schengen area. Post-entry procedures. Registration. Non-EU nationals. Depending on the length of stay and visa type, they may need to apply for a temporary residence permit, which allows them to stay beyond the visa's initial duration. Work permit and residence permit. Non-EU workers may need to formalize their work status by obtaining a work permit, unless exempt. The process can involve submitting an application to the local voivodeship office, providing a work contract, proof of accommodation, and health insurance. Employment and legal stay. Legal employment. Migrant workers must work in accordance with the terms specified in their work permits and contracts. Unauthorized work can lead to penalties including deportation. Monitoring and compliance. Authorities may conduct checks to ensure compliance with immigration and employment laws. Leaving Poland. Exit control. When leaving Poland, travelers might pass through exit passport control, where officers can check the legality of the stay, including whether the person has overstayed their visa or residence permit. These procedures ensure that migrant workers enter Poland legally and work under proper conditions, safeguarding both the workers' rights and Poland's immigration laws.